Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Hot Wheels Boneshaker number 3 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Dream Garage and number 60 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Boneshaker, and as you can see, yes, it is in this metallic black, which honestly looks pretty amazing. It is in this classic looking Hot Wheels theme. This Team Hot Wheels livery actually. So if you don't know Team Hot Wheels, it used to be an old classic team back then, in the early 2000s, 2010s, which is pretty popular actually at back then, and I bet it's still alive today. I think Team Hot Wheels is pretty nice last time. And yeah, here it is in this Boneshaker with the Team Hot Wheels livery, of course. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Here it is, the Boneshaker, and as you can see, ooh, I like the rims and the wheels on this. Kind of reminds me of Lightning McQueen's white wheels. Actually, you might remember that from the Cars movie. It kind of has this type of rims as well. Actually, these are 5-spoke rims, wheels, but instead you have the white lining on the outside and black rims, obviously. And here is the sides, and as you can see, it says Team Hot Wheels is awesome, I guess. That's what it says. And then you have this type of like lightning or Z-shaped like stripes on the side, which looks pretty great. You have these crazy amounts of exhaust over here on the sides. You have the exhaust pipes, of course. At the front you have the skeleton face, obviously, of course, as always. This car can never have will never stop with their what do you call that? Their skeleton, sorry. Yeah, they will never stop with their skeleton face, obviously, because yeah, even though there were many complaints saying that they should stop the skeleton face, and well, they're still producing it, which is an icon of Hot Wheels basically. But yeah, this casting, well, is pretty nice, but then sometimes you might get your axles broken sometimes for Hot Wheels. Like some of my Boneshakers, like my older Boneshakers, they had broken axles for the car itself actually. Yeah, so you have chrome seats on the inside, as well as basically almost the whole interior is chrome silver. You can see right there. Then you have the back, which is also chrome right there. Pretty interesting. Obviously, plastic black base at the of course at the base. Made in Malaysia, 2005-2014 Mattel Boneshaker. And there you go, that is my review of the Boneshaker. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.